Okay, I'm not going to show the video of wedging the door, but I want to see if I can actually open this vehicle with this tool. Customers inside at work. Just, if this didn't have the rubber on there, I think it'd do it, but if I go to wedge a door, yeah, I'm not thinking this process is going to work very well. It wants to go, but there's some resistance. Let's see if I can loop it the other way. Hey, I did it. I'll be damned. Got it. Oh, that's one way to open this bad boy up. Hey, thanks again for watching.